Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I want to share with you how to do a Bitconnect Reinvest, right? So you can continue increasing your income, right? So if you already got started in Bitconnect or you're looking to get started, I'll leave a link down below in the description. That way you can just sign up for your free account, right? Buy you some Bitcoin, exchange it over into Bitconnect, and start lending so you can start increasing your income. So with that being said, I want to jump right into doing a live reinvest. But before I do that, I want to show you the transactions leading from day one all the way up to today, which is day 16. All right, so let me go to the transactions over here. All right, let it load here. All right, so let's go over to the lending wallet. Right, so let's take it back to day one, right? So day one was the first day on October 12th was when I did my $100 loan, right? Now, the interest didn't kick over until the next day, which is $1.81, right? Now, I don't want to insult anyone's intelligence, right? So you can pretty much see the screen, right? So there's $1 there, and so on and so on, right? I'm gaining daily interest, right? Now, I want you to pay attention to the most recent days, right? So today is the 28th of October. Right, so yesterday there was a little bit under 1%, right? 91 cents interest, right? And then the day before that it was $1.27, and the day before that it was $1.73, right? So what I wanted to show you that because if your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's not accruing interest like that, right? You may get 1% by the end of 12 months. Right, and that's something that I want to share with you. Right now, keep in mind, this is not almighty. Like this, there is risk here. Right, there is risk. So I don't want to take that away and say that this is just all safe. Right, I want you to know there is risk involved. Right, there's risk involved in anything that we do in life. Right now, you may feel more safe and more secure, and you may feel like, hey, I'd rather have it in my bank account, even if it's not, earning me as much, right? It's just a shift of the mindset, right? You sometimes in life, you have to be willing to take a risk, right? Now, this company has been around for, I don't know, about a year. Yeah, today is the 28th. So today is actually the anniversary, right? The 1-year anniversary. So with that being said, I just kind of wanted to show you that I'm accruing daily interest, right? Daily interest on my money just from me lending it out, right? And I'm putting it on the line, right? I'm putting it on the line. I'm showing you I've taken the risk, right? If there's any risk, but think about it this way. If there isn't any risk, right? Let's say, I get all the way through the 299 days, which I'll be updating you in each and every video, right? That I have on my channel about this. I'll be sharing with you. I'll be completely transparent with you all the way up until 299 days with me lending, right? And at the end of the 299 days, of course, that would, be a little bit late in the game for you, right? Now you may start a little bit, along my journey, right? And trying to invest your money and, grow your income. But this is just different from your money being in a bank account accruing very little interest per year, compared to this, where you're seeing I'm getting, I have some low days where 6 cents, 4 cents, but then you see 87 cents, right? 91 cents, $1.27, right? Like you're seeing, I wouldn't say on average 1%, but you're seeing daily returns on your money, right? Which you're not going to see that if you're just putting money into your bank account consistently and then, expecting it to just grow while you're putting money. Majority of the time, it's going to be you putting the most amount of money in there, right? So with that being said, now I want to go ahead and go right into the live Bitconnect Reinvest, just so I can show you how this stuff works. All right, so the first rule when it comes to reinvesting with Bitconnect, they allow you to reinvest in multiples of 10. Right? So basically 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on, right? As long as it's a multiple of 10, you can reinvest. Now pay attention to right here. It says $13.17, right? So I said multiples of 10. So I would invest $10. And in this case, I'm actually going to try to invest $10.10, right? Just to not just have it as $10, right? Just being completely honest with you. and then we'll go from there. All right, so how you're going to do this is whenever the money is in your lending wallet, which it will go there daily, depending on the amount of interest and if you get referrals, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to go right here to where it says reinvest, right? Now, as you can see, accrued profit, no growth, right? What I'm going to do, since I'm not going to use the entire thing, because keep in mind, it's multiples of 10, I'm going to, let it go over there, but then I'm going to put 10, 7, I can put 10, 17 or 10, 10, right? I'm just going to put 10, 10, just in this case. See if that works for me. All right, so 10, 10 is what I'm going to reinvest. All right, and then all I have to do is real simple, is I hit reinvest, right? And it says amount $10 after 299 days. Transaction fee, there's none. And I want you to read this. It says, keep in mind that your capital will remain locked for 299 days. Interest will be credited to your account daily. You can withdraw it at any time. So anything that you earn that's in the lending wallet, you can transfer that back over to your Bitconnect, or you can transfer that over to your Bitcoin wallet, and so on back to where you want it to go. But like I told you, I'm in this for the long term. I'm going to reinvest my money and continue to grow my income, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit confirm, right? All right, successfully reinvested $10, right? So I can go ahead and hit close, and now you see that this is $3.17. Now what I want you to pay attention to now is down here, right? You're going to see that this will change. My total investment, it says $100 right now. But since I haven't refreshed my screen, it still says 13 right here. Now when I refresh my screen, you'll see that this says $110 instead of $100, right? So there it is right there. Now instead of my total investment being 100, my total investment is $110. So now, I'm not gonna, say that I'm just gonna get ridiculous amount of returns, but this is gonna help out, right? Because now my investment is a lot larger, right? So I notice you still see it says total earned. That's just showing you the amount that I've earned so far. But I've just reinvested my $10 right onto my $100. So now it's 110, and then we're just gonna wait for it to hit $10 again. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reinvest again once it hits $10, and so on until 299 days. That's pretty much my strategy, and I'm going to continue to increase my income, right? So that pretty much concludes today's video on doing a Bitconnect Reinvest. And like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to start investing your money and learning a little bit more about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and Bitconnect, then first and foremost, there is a link down below in the description box. All you have to do is just set up a free account with Bitconnect, right? The account is free. The only thing that you're going to be paying for is your investment. As you've seen, let's go back here. As you've seen, just a second. All right, so let's go back to my lending wallet, right? So as you've seen, I've invested $100, right? And that was on the 12th, right? So I'm in there, right? I'm in there. Let me check this out real fast. 20 there, that's 10, and then that's 1. Okay, but yeah. So as you can see, I'm fully invested, right? I've put money into this, and my money is growing. So like I said, if you're interested and this is something that you feel that you could do, which is pretty simple in my opinion, then click the link down below in the description. Sign up for a free account. I recommend, because the actual Bitconnect actually is the minimum is $100. Let me actually show you that, right? So if I go to lend Bitconnect, here's the amounts that you can lend, minimum and maximum, right? So $100 is the least amount that you can lend, right? So 100 to 1,000, right? And then as you can see here, 1,010 to 5,000. Not only will you get the interest that's here. Let's say this is the interest, right? Let's say this right here is the interest. Instead of you getting this for the next level, which is 1,010 to 5,000, you're going to get an extra 10%. Oh man, I always mess that up. 0.1% on whatever the percentage is for the day, right? So that's pretty powerful. And so on and so on. As you go up, you're going to get that extra percentage on whatever this is for the day. Now that's pretty powerful. So if this is high, right? If this is already high, like one, as you see, and I had a 127. Imagine adding another 0.25% on if you're investing a whole lot more money, right? So with that being said, like I said, if you're interested, click the link down below, sign up for a free account, invest a minimum of $100, start your loan. If you need any assistance, all you have to do is just comment down below with maybe your Facebook details, contacts, or however, and I'll reach out to you. Just let me know what it is that you need assistance with. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash the like button, and if you look forward to more content like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well. So with that being said, I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.